Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's a monthly one and it's Antonettes Vignettes. Now the theme for this month is Marching into Spring Gardens. So now the co-host of this month is Jody from Southern Seasons. I will be linking the host and the co-host down below in the description box. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the video, subscribe to our channel, click that like button because that like button helps us to grow on YouTube. Also comment below because we would love to hear from you. So I'm starting out with cleaning up this coffee table because we are going to be setting up a vignette in this area. So I'm trying to get all my items in one area here. So I'm going to clean off the tray. It's a mirror tray. And we are going to be incorporating succulents. I'm just so happy for you to see this. Okay, now we got that tray all cleaned off. This is a cross that I DIY'd. I will be releasing a video on this. That came out absolutely gorgeous. And then this over here are some florals from the Dollar Tree that we're going to incorporate in that tray. Aren't they beautiful? And those are going to drape over the tray. Isn't that chick absolutely adorable? I also made a little shadow box. Looks like a bunny. So we're going to be incorporating these things in the tray. So I'm going to leave you to listen to music until I get the feel of this tray. Looks like this tray is looking absolutely adorable. I love the outcome of this tray, and I hope you do too. We're going to turn this around so we can finish off the rest of the table. So here we're going to be incorporating all the other stuff that's going to surround this vignette. So let's keep it moving, guys. So now that beautiful bouquet right there that I made using rose petals and white roses, I also embellished the top with some pearls. I have a video I'm releasing for that also. And like I said, I cannot wait for you to see it. This table is going to look gorgeous. So it looks like the table is ready, at least to my liking. I absolutely love it, and I hope you do too. We're going to get ready for the reveal. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank the host and the co-host for this collaboration. What a beautiful welcome into spring. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.